If you're going to remove the center console and ashtray housing, begin by placing the transmission safely in the neutral position by turning the ignition to the on position, placing your foot on the brake, and moving the shift knob to neutral, yellow arrow. Make sure you are on level ground and the wheels are safely chocked before putting the car in neutral. Press the front of the ashtray and open it, red arrow. Slide the ashtray release lever to the right, red arrow, and remove the ashtray insert. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the housing. Red arrows, the screws are already removed. On some models, you can now remove the ashtray assembly, but if it does not just slide out, do not force it. You will need to remove the center console plate first. Open the storage container between the seats and remove the 2 Phillips head screws at the front. Red arrows, the screws are already removed. Lift the storage compartment out and use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the single screw at the rear of the center console. Lift the plate up and slide it to the rear, red arrow. You can now remove the trim plate, red arrow. With the cover tray slid back, you can now remove the ashtray housing as well. Turn the housing over and disconnect the lighter plug, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.